Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation doing another unboxing video. Today, we finally got our hands on some Echo frames. We have been on the waiting list since day one. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, it's a nice plain box that says one pair of Echo frames with non-corrective lenses, carrying case, cleaning cloth, power adapter, and charging cable. So you can tell it's a nice clean box. Let's go ahead and get this open. Same thing, nice clean box. Let's remove this tape. First impression, they went really all out on the presentation. So you can see these are the frames. They're actually pretty light now that they're in my hand. As you can see, they actually look pretty low profile. Let's see what else is included here. We've got the carrying case. Feels like leather. It's got the nice Amazon symbol right there. As you can see, the inside is lined with a felt. And this is the cleaning cloth. It's unbranded, but looks pretty decent. And then we've got the charging box. Also seems to be unbranded. And then the charging cable, which seems to use a magnetic touch and a USB. And then if we look at the Let's Get Started guide, which is stuck apparently. I guess that prevents returns. You can see these are follow these 3 steps to get started. With more instructions on the back. Again, these are the instructions card. This is the take me to your optician. Looks like you can put regular lenses in this. This is the inside of the guard. Looks like you will give these instructions to the optician. This seems to be the user guide. That seems to be the end of our tour. I guess the major takeaway is the presentation of this box is very good. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys next time.